Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through an overview of DAX. DAX is a query language used for querying Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services tabular mode, which is the more latest of the modes available with multidimensional database from Microsoft. So DAX is a formula and query language developed by Microsoft for querying analysis services tabular mode. So Microsoft Analysis Services has two modes, the multidimensional mode and the tabular mode. Tabular mode is the more latest of the modes, and it is used for it provides dynamic aggregation and processes millions of rows and provides numerical summaries. So this is where DAX excels. So it crunches millions of rows of data and provides us with numerical summaries. Now, where is DAX used? This is very interesting. So for all the Microsoft offerings, DAX is used in Power BI. Power BI is a cloud-based visualization tool available from Microsoft. And this is the new offering from Microsoft, which is doing really well. It's like Tableau or ClickView, but this is a Microsoft offering and integrates really well. It uses tabular. Then it is also used in Power Pivot, which is Excel add-in, and it is used for number crunching with Excel. So you can access your data warehouse from Excel using by building a connection, and then you can use Power Pivot for number crunching and summary data. It works really well. DAX is also used to query SQL Server Analysis Services tabular mode. So you can access that via SQL Server Management Studio and write DAX queries to access the data. This is the newer of the two analysis services modes, as I've already pointed out to you. And then you've got Azure SSAS services. So Azure is the cloud infrastructure offering from Microsoft, and it provides only one analysis services mode, which is the tabular mode. So eventually, as everyone moves towards the cloud and you move towards the cloud, you will actually be using Azure services. And if you decide to go the multidimensional route, you need to learn DAX. So I think you will eventually need to learn to DAX, and this is where all the areas where DAX is used. So in this video, we covered one is an overview of DAX, what is DAX, and then where all is DAX used within the Microsoft stack. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.